Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at the reversal in the ES today. As you can see, the last couple of days, the ES has been very bearish, to say the least. I mean, look at the drop. And even off the open of the US session today, you can see just a rip to the downside. I mean, we were hitting the ES to the short side hard this morning. It made that nice push down. Got significantly undervalued. Here, let's go ahead and spread this out a little bit now so we can see this better. You can see we made this push down off the open this morning. Hit significantly undervalued, and again, we know we hit significantly undervalued on the value charts that typically one of three things are going to happen. We're going to go into consolidation, we're going to get a pullback, or we're going to reverse. And in this particular case, we consolidated, set up the doji, set up a nice bear flag, triggered to the downside for another really nice push to the downside. And then we got this reversal doji right here. Again, we hit significantly undervalued. Touched it right there, touched significantly undervalued. And again, we know we're going to consolidate, pull back, or reverse. And this was definitely a reversal. We put in this reversal doji right here, and then a very strong bullish bar, triggering it back to the upside. This bar opened right here at the bottom, pushed all the way up here, left a little bit of a topping tail, but closed very near the top right there. So a really bullish trigger back to the upside. And price pushed up here to the 50 EMA, and the 50 EMA, especially in the ES, the 50 and the 200 are just significant EMAs in the ES. And you can see we pushed up to the 50, rejected, left a pretty bearish bar right here actually, left a shooting star, long topping tail, finished way down here at the bottom, and then just another doji, pushed down, set up. This is actually another reversal doji, and the reason this is a reversal doji is because the low of this bar was lower than the low of this bar again. And then we got another pretty bullish bar that triggered this back to the upside. This bar opened right here, made a little push down, and then went up here, bounced off the 50 EMA again, rejected there again, but triggered this reversal doji back to the upside. This next bar caused the 5 and the 13 to cross to the upside, and it was another really strong bullish bar. It opened at the bottom, and this one closed at the top and above the 50 EMA. So now we have had a strong bullish close above resistance. Got another nice bullish bar. Opened right there, left a little bit of a tail, but closed right near the top. And then during the afternoon session, we were thinking, maybe stocks are going to head back the other way, because this was a really bearish bar. This bar opened at the top, made a little push to the top here, and then pushed down and closed down here at the bottom. Very bearish bar. And then and then this bar opened right here, pushed down, and actually poked its nose underneath the 50 EMA, but couldn't stay under there. And again, the 50 EMA is always strong resistance and good support. So this bar pushed down, and then actually ended up closing right here. And then the very next bar, I'm sorry, actually, this bar, it closed right here. And then the next bar, same thing, opened up, pushed down again underneath the 50 EMA, found support right here at the 13 EMA. And again, at this time, we were thinking that, this is really starting to look bearish, like maybe we're going to head lower. But nope, not the case. The 50 EMAs supplied support yet again. This bar actually ended up closing in a hammer to the upside, and the 5 and the 13 were now in a buy phase. This bar triggered the hammer to the upside, and we actually traded the rest of the afternoon to the long side. And then you can see price went right up here to the 200 and then rejected again. So you can see these the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA are significant support and resistance levels in the ES, especially. It is other asset classes as well, and other assets, but in the ES, these levels are really respected, and we pay close attention to them when we're trading them. But big reversal day in the ES today. I mean, the low was down there at 27.60 and a quarter, and we got as high in the actual U.S. session. We got as high as 28.53. So big reversal day in ES futures.